Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef kofta. First, ensure you have 1½ pounds of ground beef, ideally with an 80/20 fat ratio for the best flavor. Next, finely chop 1 small onion, a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, and 2 tablespoons of fresh mint. Finally, measure out 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, coriander, and paprika, along with salt and pepper to taste. Now, place your ground beef, chopped onion, herbs, and all the measured spices into a large mixing bowl. Use your hands to thoroughly combine everything, ensuring the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the meat. Once mixed, take small portions and shape them into uniform cylindrical or oval pieces, approximately 3½ inches in length and 1 inch thick. This ensures even cooking. You have several excellent options for cooking your kofta. You can grill them over medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully browned and cooked through. Alternatively, pan-fry them in a skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil until golden brown on all sides. Another great method is to bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, your beef kofta is ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot with a side of creamy tzatziki sauce, which perfectly complements the rich flavors. They also pair wonderfully with warm pita bread, a crisp green salad, or even rice pilaf for a complete meal. For more delicious recipes and to discover other fantastic deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.